All right, I'm going to show you how to redirect this URL in Cloudflare. First thing you want to do is go over here to the domain that you want to redirect to, copy that URL, and then go to the command line. That's CMD. That's CMD. Oh, I did it right. And then type NS lookup. And then, now you could have put this on the same line. I think you put a space behind it, but whatever. Then click enter. That's the IP address right here. Copy that. We don't want this extra space there. Ooh, it ain't gonna act right. All right, so you're gonna have to Control C. It might be Control V. And then go to Cloudflare, DNS. Of course, first you got to go to the domain name you want to do this for. Go to DNS, do an A record for the root with that IP address. Okay, we got it. Leave it proxy, save it. Then do another A record for the subdomain. Don't put that dot there. Paste the IP address, save it. Now go over here to page rules. Where is it? Oh, rules. And then page rules. Go to create page rule. URL abroad.com for URL. Save and deploy page rule. Oh, I forgot to do the 301 permanent redirect. All right, now let's save it. And let's test it out. Works. Yeehaw! Now for me, this is just temporary until I build a site. But now it sends to the school community. School community is something that can help your business out. It helps you to establish a leadership role in your community. And of course, creating a community of peers in your industry actually helps all of you guys out. So let's say a recession came, which it might. Then you might be able to pool your resources to make a huge purchase that you all share, and then you cut down on the shipping, you cut down on the unit costs. I mean, there's a lot that could be done with a group, a community, synergistic businesses. By the way, this one is just for traveling and investing, but I have another community called From Passion to Profits, and yeah, you benefit from other people asking questions. You benefit from people posting in there that they post on social media, and you ask people in the group to come check it out. And you can benefit because as you invite people in, then the more people that get in, then you might identify someone that you could do a joint venture with. So you have a group of like-minded, positive-minded, and good energy people where you should be able to feel comfortable approaching about, hey, are you interested in doing a joint venture? I can see where I can promote this right here. I can promote you in my business, and you can promote me in your business, and we have a synergistic relationship. We're not competing against each other, but our products or services are in alignment with each other. It's a natural fit. Huh? Can't beat it. So that's it from Passion to Profits.com. See you there.